Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change gender on 12Go app Asia. First, open 12Go app Asia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account using the email address you used when booking. Once you are logged in, go to the profile or account setting or personal information. Tap on profile. Now look for your personal details. Here you may see the option your name, date of birth and gender. If the gender option is editable, tap on gender and select the correct option. After selecting the correct gender, tap save or update to confirm the change. If you don't see a gender option in your profile, don't worry. In many cases, gender is linked with passenger details for a booking. To change it, go to my booking, open the booking you want to update and check the passenger information section. If editing is allowed, update the gender and set the gender change. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.